Tony built the base layer of a rectangular prism as shown in the figure. Each block has a volume of 1 cubic foot. Tony will stack 13 identical layers to complete the prism. What is the volume of Tony's prism? So, volume we know is length times width times height. One very important thing to notice on this problem is that this that they gave us is the base layer. It is not the whole thing. It is just the base, the bottom. But the bottom does give us two of our dimensions, the length and the width. So the length is going to be going along the front here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our length is 8. Then we have a width going back of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then our height is going to come from that number of layers. It said that he's going to have 13 identical layers. Layers give height. And so 13 is our height. Solve this just like PEMDAS. 8 times 5 would be first. That's 40 times 13. And then 40 times 13. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 4 is 12. XXO, 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 4, 4. Add that up, and we get 520. And so the volume of his rectangular prism would be 520 cubic feet.